Hi guys, I just thought I'd make a quick video today. I was able to go to the Rose Doll show last Thursday. It's Monday today, mainly because the Rose Doll show was about 10 minutes away from my house. So all I did was I just bought a ticket to go on the floor, just where the artists and sellers and stuff were. I just bought a ticket for Thursday. Just that. My daughter went with me, and I had a little bit of money that I was able to look around and see if there was anything that I wanted to buy. And it was kind of exciting because usually the Rose Doll show is about 45 minutes away from my house, and luckily this time it was only 10. And it was a pretty good show. I would say if you're traveling, that it's fun and it'd be more worth it to get tickets to attend the other activities they have, like the baby shower, the dinner, or the awards, or whatever. I don't ever even look into those because it's just right here, and I'm not a super social person, so I'm not really interested in those things. But seeing other people's Instagrams and their stories and the fun they were having, that if you're traveling, I'd say that is the way to enjoy it even more, compared to the last doll show in like 2019, I think it was. This one was more cut back. It was smaller, but there was still a lot of dolls. The prices were high. I mean, there were some lower prices. The last doll show that I went to, the Rose Doll show, was so overwhelming that I ended up not even buying a doll because there was just so much, and I didn't know what I really wanted with the money that I had to spend. And this time it was almost opposite. It was like, I don't care if I get anything. I would like to get something, but what should I get? And lots of pretty dolls, lots of beautiful painted dolls, pricier dolls, lots of silicones compared to other times. So it was just fun to see all of the different things. There was a few kits that I hadn't ever seen in real life that was fun. I saw Sebi, and that was one I wanted to see. What was the other one? Sandy, the one that's standing. I saw a couple of those. I saw a Josie, because I've always wondered if I wanted a Josie, and I actually looked at a Josie a couple times and like held it and stuff. And a Yannick. I saw a Yannick I hadn't seen in real life, a Susu. So it was fun to see the different dolls that were there and available. A lot were out of the price range I had, and I felt like I had a good chunk of money. I didn't think I was even going to have to spend all of it to get a new doll. But then I went to one shop. Oh shoot, I didn't get the COAs. I went to one artist little booth thing, and there was this little doll there, and I can't remember the kit, and I really liked it, and I kept looking at it. And then there was this other one over kind of behind it that was just sitting out. It wasn't in one of the little cubbies. And I looked at it a few times too, and I was like, that one's cute too. And then I decided the one we left, went and looked some more, circled around again, and I went back to the little one. And just a sec. Anyway, I decided that the little one was so little that I probably wouldn't be interested in it later on after I got it home. It was just, I can't even remember the kit right now. I've seen the kit and I love the kit. I think it's adorable. It's almost like Barnaby Troll, Neferkane ones, like that kind of size. So I opted not, and then I went and picked up the other one that I ended up getting. Was instantly in love. I didn't want to even walk away from it. And then there was kind of a set, so I ended up getting them. I was going to do a haul too, So I thought I'll just do that really quick before I show the babies, because I had to go buy some new clothes because the boy that I bought is so big, or bigger than any boy I have, that I had no clothes for him. So I ran to Walmart really quick. I just thought I'd show some of the things I got because they were all marked down. So it's cute little short romper shorts, yellow with like little lavender, pink, and white flowers on it, ruffle sleeves. Of course, I have lots of babies that'll wear this, but the little girl that I got will look cute in this. I bought this for my boy. Reminds me of old-fashioned swimming suits. It's just kind of a orangey and white striped. It's like an orangey red, distressed reddish color with wooden buttons. Watch out, baby. Wooden buttons. So he's gonna have some clothes to wear. And then I just grabbed a few of these onesies. Busy doing nothing. They're like $4.48. You can't beat that price. It's got a palm tree. It's gray. So I got that for him. This one was also like $3. I got that for the little girl or for anybody. It's blue with rainbows and sunshines and clouds raining hearts. That's fun. I bought my boy a couple pairs of shorts, some camo shorts, and some gray shorts with little blue palm trees on them. I got him a few onesies. This one has like a jungle theme with tigers. It's white with yellow trim, a tiger and a monkey, and a skateboard. And I thought these onesies would be fun just to put him in them and just have nothing else. But I did buy him a pack of socks because, you know me, I worry about the paint. So I thought I can put socks on him but have him in onesies, but his feet will be safe. So this says, Cool Kid. It's a beige with sage green, and it's just like desert. Desert theme, cactus. I want to say dinosaur, but it's probably a lizard in the sun. And this one says, be cool, be kind, excuse me, be happy. It's a mustardy yellow with a smiley face on it. And the words are the smile. And I bought this little set for my girl or for whoever. It was marked down to $4, so I just thought it was cute. No, I know. Okay. School's out. Summertime. So fun. Lots of privacy. No, just a sec. I got this romper. I've actually changed him into this. It is striped, greens and blues, turquoise, has a dinosaur. Yeah, it has a dinosaur on it, a dinosaur hood. He looks really cute in this, and he actually fits in this, and it's 12 months, so he's hefty. And then I got this little girl lavender with white polka dots. It's kind of like the other little romper, and I've had the girl in this, so cute. Those are the clothes I bought. I just thought I would add those in. So, the babies. I was really excited about these. They're prototype babies. They hadn't even been released. The kit hadn't been released. I'm not sure if it has been now, but I thought they were really fun and something different, and something after I had been through the doll show and I noticed them. This is what caught my attention, and I fell in love. So here's the little girl. Ta-da! And she's an ogre, And she's Orla. She's a little ogre, and I'll get the artist's name in a minute on her COA. She came with this little, I think is it linen-y? I'm not sure what all of these clothes feel like, the same kind of material. I can't see a tag. So this is Orla, and if you can't see why, I instantly fell in love with her. And she's painted in green tones. Her hands are pink. Her bottoms of her feet are pink. She has a lot of pink mottling. Full legs, full arms. She takes a little modified pacifier. She has little teeth. Her big eyes, and the artist put magnets at the bottoms of her horns so that you can put bows. She has applied lashes, dark eyes. She has like a little marks on her face. The artist pointed out that she did not gloss her nails because she's an ogre. So yeah, this is Orla, and I'm gonna keep her name Orla. That is the kit name. As you see her. Okay, so this is Orla, and her brother right here. Oh, he's a big guy. Her brother is Ollie, and isn't he adorable? I fell in love with her first. I looked at her, picked her up, and I was like, she's so cute. And I wasn't even looking at him just because I was looking at her. And I realized that they were different because I thought it was just a boy and a girl painted the same kit. And then I realized that he was bigger. Stop, bud. That he was bigger, and I picked him up, and I was like, oh my gosh, I love him. I love his hand. Look at that pink hand inside. He's also full limbs. His pink feet. He has a magnetic pacifier. No magnets in by his head because the artist said that she just saw him as boy as soon as she got the kit. Oh look, this one has a tag. This is my own curiosity. And it's all in Chinese. So anyway, these are the two dolls that I was able to get at the Rose Doll Show. And I'm in love. Oh, I wanted to show about him. So these are the clothes they came in. I've already changed them once, but I put them back in so that I could show them in what they came in. But he has like a special added thing that is not part of the kit, but that the artist decided to do. And he has a full chest belly plate. And she said it's the from Joseph. I can't remember what Joseph, but she said it just went with him and it helps him sit up really well. So it's front and back. It has the top of a little bum crack, but it ends like right there. I think it's non-gendered. I haven't even looked that far yet. It's just a belly plate. Like the belly button. And it ends just below the belly button. But isn't he cute? So it's Ollie and Orla. Here's their COAs. Their prototype. 3 of 7. Ollie and Orla. And when I saw her and then noticed him, I was just like, I'll just spend all the money that I brought to the doll show so that I can have both of them and not separate them, because I was in love with both of them and I don't know if I could have chose anyway. She has more pink tones and he is more just greens, maybe a little more bluish. And this hand is my most favorite thing. I don't know why. I love his big hand and his big nails. So let's look at his COA. They're from Enchanted Creature Kits. Prototype Ollie, sculpted by Jody Lombardo. 3 of 7. And then Orla's, same thing. Enchanted Creature Kits, prototype Orla, sculpted by Jody Lombardo. So I don't know if they're out yet. The artist actually got permission to put them out so that people could see them, and I almost felt like a little bit guilty that I was buying them because it was the first day of the doll show and it was still kind of in the morning, and I was like, well, I'm gonna buy them so nobody's gonna see them anyway. But anyway, I'm really excited about them. They're really fun. Never had a reborn like this before, and that's kind of what I was going for. Their artist was Shay Romaro, Shay's Reborn Babies. So here's her little card that she gave me in the bag. You can see that. I was actually gonna go follow her on Instagram and I haven't yet because when I got home I put their COAs away in my box, so I'm gonna leave this out. So Vinyl Art Dolls by Shay Romaro, Shay's Reborn Babies, and Shay Romaro 143 on Instagram. And she said that she will be putting pictures up of them, of her painting them. So that was my rose doll experience. I might not do it like some people do and go to all of the activities and stuff, but it was fun to go and see all of the different dolls there and kits that I haven't seen, and just see people walking around with their dolls too. Before I found these guys, I was actually like, I'm gonna start offering people money if they want to sell the reborns they brought. I was just kidding, but there was some really pretty babies there, really cute ones, and it was really fun to be able to go, and I look forward to going again next year, and look forward to having these guys here and spending time with them. And I'm going to now put him in another one of his new outfits because he got the new wardrobe because he's a big boy, especially with this belly plate. It adds a lot to him. So, oh, and did I say I'm keeping her name Orla, but I'm not keeping him Ollie because I have a cat named Ollie. So I think I'm just going to call him Raleigh, like Rowley. I've been calling him Rowley. So that's about his name, Rowley. But they're fun. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I'm glad I was able to go. I'm glad I was able to find something there, and I'm glad I was able to share it with you, and hope you all are doing well, and we look forward to Rose Doll Show again next year. And I would say that it is worth going. It's fun. There's a lot of community there, a lot of people meeting each other, being friends, hanging out. Even though I'm not really that kind of a person, I could see if you are, that it is a lot of fun, and to go there and like show your babies off, and or your favorite one or whatever you want to bring. I mean, there's some people just had one, but there were some people that had like 6, and they were buying a couple, and they had big wagons they were pulling them in. But anyway, it's really fun. And yeah, so my Rose Doll Show babies, and we will just see you again soon. Love you guys. Bye.